to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm here in Bear Mountain State Park, New York. Welcome to beautiful Bear Mountain State Park in New York. Today, we are exploring one of the most popular outdoor destinations in the Hudson Valley. It's now 10:30 in the morning and the park is already bustling with visitors. As you can see, there is a long line of vehicles waiting to enter the park. During weekends and holidays, Bear Mountain attracts thousands of visitors, so arriving early is always a good idea. The parking fee is $10 per vehicle. After paying at the entrance booth, you receive a parking ticket before entering the main parking area. Even at this early hour, the parking lot is already almost full, showing just how popular this destination is. The first landmark you will notice after parking your car is the historic Bear Mountain Inn. This beautiful stone building was welcomed visitors for more than a century. Originally constructed in 1915, it first served as an open-air pavilion where guests could relax and enjoy the scenic beauty of the park. In 1923, the pavilion was enclosed and transformed into the elegant lodge we see today. The Bear Mountain Inn now features comfortable guest rooms and suites, a full-service restaurant, a gift shop, a relaxing spa, and conference and event facilities. It remains one of the most iconic buildings in New York's state park system. Let's visit the gift shop. Here you will find a wonderful selection of souvenirs, apparel, books, local crafts, toys, and keepsakes. Whether you are looking for a memorable gift or a souvenir to remember your visit, the gift shop has something for visitors of all ages. Just a short walk from the inn brings us to the beautiful Hessian Lake, one of the Bear Mountain's most popular attractions. Surrounded by mountains and forests, this peaceful lake offers stunning scenery throughout the year. Visitors can enjoy fishing or rent paddle boats for a relaxing ride across the calm waters. Swimming, however, is not permitted in the lake to help preserve its natural environment and ensure visitor safety. Along one side of the lake, you will find numerous picnic tables and benches. This area is perfect for family gatherings, cookouts, and relaxing with friends while enjoying the beautiful surroundings. Even though it's only 10:30 in the morning, nearly every picnic table is already occupied, which shows how much people love spending their weekends here. The paved walking path that circles the lake is one of the park's most scenic trails. Throughout the day, you will see people walking, jogging, or simply taking a leisurely stroll while enjoying the fresh mountain air and breathtaking lake views. As we continue our walk, we come across a large rock formation that has become a favorite photo spot. Many visitors climb onto the rock to capture memorable pictures with the beautiful lake and mountains as their backdrop. Bear Mountain also offers a small amusement ride that is especially popular with the families and children. Tickets cost approximately $3 per ride, making it an affordable activity for younger visitors. Now, let's enjoy a breathtaking aerial view of Bear Mountain State Park. From above, you can truly appreciate the spectacular landscape, including the mountains, Hessian Lake, the majestic Hudson River, and one of the area's most famous landmarks, the Bear Mountain Bridge. Opened in 1924, the Bear Mountain Bridge was the first vehicle bridge built across the Hudson River south of Albany. It remains an important transportation link connecting Rockland and Orange counties. As you drive across the bridge, you will enjoy spectacular panoramic views of the Hudson River and the surrounding Hudson Highlands. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bear Mountain State Park. We hope you enjoyed exploring its history, natural beauty, and attractions. If you are planning a visit to New York, Bear Mountain is truly a destination you won't want to miss. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.